A woman accuses a man of inappropriately touching her breast, while the man denies the allegation, insisting it isn't true. To resolve the dispute, law enforcement reviews surveillance footage to uncover the truth.
I was just walking by and he reached in my shirt and grabbed my boob.
Okay.
I wasn't trying to do anything. I just back up because I was trying to buy a hot dog.
So you did not do anything intentionally? You guys just bumped into
Like
each
I said,
other?
I was just like walking like that. And then she was walking behind.
What was said when that happened?
I don't know. I said, don't f***ing touch me. I yelled in his face. I said, don't f***ing touch me. And then he said, you're lucky somebody's touching them or what. I don't know. I don't really know. I was like, you're disgusting. I was like screaming. I don't know.
Yeah, she thinks that you intentionally grabbed her breast, is what she's saying.
No, I ain't grabbed her. I was just like, what that was
Don't touch me. Don't grab me. I know that you're just doing an example, but do not grab me. What was he doing when you guys were walking by?
He reached into my shirt.
No, like prior to that, like was he just
know.
waiting in line to order a hot dog, or was he?
I didn't see him. He was just standing. I don't know. He was just standing there, and then I walked by, and he reached into my shirt.
And you think it was intentional?
Yeah, it was intentional because then he said, "You're lucky somebody's touching them."
Right after he did that, or after you guys like confronted him about it?
I didn't really know what to do, and I just saw you guys here. So.
Okay.
All right, just hang out right here. Do not look at that group over there, okay?
Can I have my one friend?
Listen, you're an adult. This is a decision you have to make. It's not up to your friend. It's up to you on the decision that you want to make.
I know, but her husband's my best friend, and he's a sheriff's deputy, so I just want to talk to him.
You think he's up at 3 in the morning?
She's talking to him right now.
The tall girl?
Yeah.
What's her name?
Melissa.
Melissa. Hi. Your husband's a deputy?
So my husband's a cop. I laughed at her and grabbed her tit, and then in the shirt and grabbed her tit.
Okay.
And then I looked at him and I said, "Are you kidding me?" And then I think you guys saw us like pass by you guys, and I was like, and then when I saw her upset, like realizing what just happened, I turned around and the whole group over there saw what happened, and they were like, "Wait, did he just do that to you?" And then that's when she started crying, and then that's when I got you guys because I saw how much she was in distress. I understand it's a lot, like having 18 girls like bombard you guys. I get that. I understand that. But that was so.
I'm not drunk.
Yeah, we're literally just hanging out. And
So you saw it happen?
I saw it happen.
Okay.
I will write a witness statement. I don't care.
But it's up to you.
Yes,
It's not up to
you
her.
will.
It's not up to her husband. You're the victim. You're the one that is alleging the crime. So
Good thing too about this complex is they have fantastic video footage, like video surveillance, so we can go watch it and we can,
You will see it.
yeah.
What do I have to do?
You just have to write a witness statement.
Write a statement
And
out,
then you just
that's
have to write a statement that you walked.
and then you do want to press charges. That's the other thing. Like, we can't make that decision for you. She can't. Nobody else in your group definitely can't. It's up to
What
you.
else? When moving forward, what else do I do? Like, so
So you write the statement, and then they'll follow up on it.
And they'll be arrested for battery.
all right, so yeah.
Yeah, that was
Hang on, let me
disgusting.
go. I'm just gonna go in there, go pull it up real quick. What's up, guys? Okay, were you here when any of this happened? No. Okay, do me a favor, head on out, okay? Thank you. I need to go watch some footage. Apparently he grabbed her boob, but
Guys, come on!
I got what's his name at the hot dog stand saying it looked accidental. Apparently, right in front of the hot dog stand, a guy reached in a girl's shirt. From my understanding, they were waiting in line to get a hot dog. The girls were walking by, and allegedly he reaches in there. But what's his name? Steve, the hot dog guy. Josh, I was close, right? Josh at the hot dog stand said no, it looked accidental.
How long ago?
I don't know, last 10 minutes or so. So that dude. Okay, whoa, this is perfect. Okay, back it up like 5 more seconds. It's right at the top, right there. You see the dude in the yellow sleeves?
Want me to go back further?
No, this is perfect. Here, back it up again, and then if you could zoom into that. I keep bumping into you, man. I'm sorry.
No, don't worry. I got it.
This is gonna be
Perfect. Let me back it up a little
yeah,
bit
for
more.
sure.
Is that good?
Yeah, that's perfect. Because we're parked right there on Charles, and then we see them all yelling and stuff, and we're like, "What's going on?" And then they,
He's gonna get arrested, right?
yeah, she wants to press charges. She wants to press
Can't be
charges.
doing shit like that.
Yeah.
She should have thrown a drink right in his face.
You'd think, but I mean, whatever. You know, we're gonna arrest him. We're right there,
All
so
right, cool.
he's gonna go. Yeah, that works.
All right,
Thank you,
cool.
brother.
I'll be right
Appreciate it.
Come on, thank you, guys.
No problem.
I'm going to go over there with you right now, and we are going to 1015 this gentleman for reaching his hand inside of her shirt and grabbing her breast.
Okay.
Which breast? I know it does matter.
The man initially denied any wrongdoing to the officers, claiming he was innocent. However, it was too late for his defense, As the officers reviewed surveillance footage that contradicted his claims, the footage not only disproved his innocence, but also revealed his disrespectful behavior toward the woman, providing clear evidence of his actions.
Right breast. Okay. Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Let me tell you something.
Turn around. Sir, this will go a lot easier if you cooperate.
Hey, bud.
No, let me tell you something.
You're about to make a really big mistake.
No.
You're about to make a horrible mistake.
No, let me check.
Put your hands behind your back.
Let me talk. Let me talk. Check that video.
Back up.
Check that video.
Turn around and put your hands.
Check it. No. Check that video.
Back the up.
Turn around. Put your hands behind your back.
Please, can you please check the video? Check the video.
I'm going to tase you if you do not turn around and put your hands behind your back. Dude.
Just that video.
Okay.
Check that video.
I'm going to tell you one more time, and then I'm going to tase you.
I'm not trying to do that.
Turn around and put your hands behind your back.
I know I did a mistake. I just said, what's up?
Turn around and put your hands behind your back.
No,
Do it now.
please, check that video, please.
You just caught another charge, in case you were wondering. Now, other than yes, you are. You're going to jail no matter what. I guarantee you are. Turn around and put your hands behind your back.
Check that video before you do anything.
Oh, you're about to make such a big mistake, bud.
I'm not trying.
Turn around and put your hands behind your back.
Sir,
you understand?
turn around, place your hands behind your back.
I understand. Check that
I
video
don't
first.
care. At this point,
Turn around and put your hands behind your back.
Check that video. I'm not trying to be hurt. I'm not trying to be bad.
Ladies, move. Move.
Can you guys please? No, I'm not trying to hurt.
Stop resisting. Back up. You're about to get tased. Turn around. Put your hands behind your back.
Let me talk.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
You guys arrest me for no reason.
Are you kidding me?
So you guys arrest me for no reason.
And that's another charge, though. You just got 2 more charges, in case you're wondering. So you're going for that, and you're going for the resisting. Yeah, is right. Yes, you f***ed up. You're going on 3 charges now. Move. We're putting him in the van. Get the f*** out of the way. Move. I'm fucking not asking you. I'm telling you. You look at me like that. Unlock this van.
No, you guys arrest me for no
What? You want to go too? We got plenty of room.
What the f*** you?
Unlock the van.
No, you guys have
More
video.
stuff.
You guys just check this video. Check the video. Can you guys check the video? Can you guys please check the video?
I just did.
Huh? You just did?
Yeah, I just checked the video.
I ain't deserve that.
Here's his wallet.
What? Go away. You can leave now. Take your friend. Take your friend.
He's telling us to go away, but this
Go that way. You can go that way. I don't have to tell them anything. Go that way.
We buying stuff.
Okay, then buy stuff and leave. Have a good night. I don't have to. They're not the problem. You are. Oh, dude, it is so intentional.
Okay.
Yeah, it's gross. Yeah.
Do you have the video to download and send in?
He is going to come out and give it to me. Yeah. I got it on my Bodycam though. Yeah. But he's going to come out and give it to me so I can upload it as well.
All right. Was I doing something wrong with this f***ing door? Because that was pissing me off a lot.
This door sticks really hard. You got to pull it and lean back. It's a pain in the ass.
No, I need to know because like I was getting like pissed at him.
Because I thought it was
Feels like I'm literally sitting here. This guy's being a they're all being like I can't get the door open. So all right, head out.
Don't hit my car.
Sir, thank you so much. Thank you. I hope you guys stay safe. I'm so sorry.
Give him a quick verbal statement of what you saw, please.
Okay.
As officers were concluding their investigation, the aggressive man wearing a green striped shirt unexpectedly returned to the scene. His sudden reappearance caught everyone off guard, adding tension to the situation and raising concerns about his motives or intentions.
I'm sorry. I see the video.
So did we?
Yes.
Yeah, but I'm sorry.
Then listen to us when we're telling you what's right.
I'm sorry.
If you guys watch the video, then you understand.
I'll give you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Have a good night.
You too.
Okay?
Appreciate it. Have a good night.
Hey, yep.
The suspect faced charges of battery and resisting arrest but was released on a $25,000 bond the same day. According to court records, he ultimately pleaded no contest to the battery charge as part of a plea agreement, which resulted in the resisting arrest charge being dropped. He was sentenced to 6 months of probation, fined $575, and required to write a letter of apology to the victim. Always remember to respect other people's personal space and their bodies, to avoid any issues. To be clear, just because someone may be wearing revealing clothing, it does not give anyone the right to touch them without explicit consent.